Well, nature cure does not need a doctor or therapist. It needs only teacher. Doctor in the real sense of the terms is a teacher. And we have plenty of teachers who have been trained in our institution who keep on conducting classes and teaching people to help themselves. In nature cure, there is no methodology or adaptation of techniques which cannot be done by individual by themselves. We stress importance on the self-reliance of treatment. And most of the treatment can be done without an expert. And some of them where physical help is needed, we need to train some people to be able to be a successful nurse in natural therapy.